Hello guys and welcome to Digit. Today we are unboxing the new OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. Now as you can see, we get the standard OnePlus Nord box, the black box with the Nord branding. OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, there is the phone's name. And there is all the regulatory and pricing information. So that is the box, plain standard OnePlus branding. Now let's get to what we get inside. So a OnePlus leaflet envelope. Let us see what we get inside. So we get your silicone case. You get your membership card, the red cable club card, some OnePlus Nord stickers, your safety guide, your quick guide, and your SIM eject tool with a note from OnePlus themselves. Very cool. Now let us get to the smartphone. Good thing is that OnePlus has reduced the plastic. यहाँ पे you get this butter paper like paper, and I'll just rip this apart to reveal the fancy new OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. Now this is the lime color. OnePlus is calling it the pastel lime color, and it looks pretty good. Like, this is nothing that OnePlus has done so far. It's a very new concept, like this kind of a pop color. You get your two camera cutouts. One camera is up here, and then there are two shooters right here. LED flash. You get your volume rockers on this flat frame with the SIM tray. There is the power button, and as far as I can tell already, the fingerprint reader is integrated into this. Up top we just have one hole which for the mic, and at the bottom we get your type C, the speaker grill, and the 3.5mm jack, so that is good. So while the phone gets booted, let's talk about the specifications. This right here is a 6.72 inch FHD plus display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite is powered by a Snapdragon 695 chip, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chip, and it's paired with up to 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. There is also 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, and we get Android 13 out of the box with Oxygen 13 as the custom skin. Baki battery specifications include a 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charging, and of course you get your triple rear camera setup, which includes a primary 108 megapixel camera and two 2 megapixel sensors, one being the depth sensor and the other being a macro shooter. So phone के अलावा क्या मिलता है? Let us see. This is your 80 watt charging brick. The phone supports 67 watt fast charging, but OnePlus ने हमें 80 watt का brick दिया है, so that is great. Plain white OnePlus brick है, SuperVOOC branding के साथ, और इसके साथ आपको मिल जाएगा आपका USB A to USB C charging cable. So that was the unboxing for the newly launched OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. बढ़िया कलर है, बढ़िया बिल्ड है, अच्छा न्यू डिज़ाइन अप्रोच from OnePlus. I like it. Do let us know how you like it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.